Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sairam. I am from Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my UG from Mallareddy Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad in this year, and I am preparing for the post-graduation exams. And I am very much happy to inform that I got free online subscription from online subscription for onlinembbs.com from the quiz conducted by Dr. Murli Bardwaj sir, which was very much informative, and I suggest everyone to participate in this quiz, and also you will get to know all the extra points and the points where you are lacking in. And I also suggest everyone to watch Dr. Murli Bardwaj sir's videos, especially medicine, because sir will not leave any logic behind any topic, so it will get very much interesting. And I also suggest to participate in the quiz, which was very much exciting because there is a point of timing in answering the question which makes us to be in the position, so it will be very much exciting like a game, so you can enjoy the subject. Thank you very much.